This is Dugi Guides V5 and it is the most powerful and simple to use questing guide in the world. And this is all that you will normally see when you're using the guide, which are your current step and the waypoint arrow showing you where to go. The guide is so compact you can fit it anywhere on your screen. A special tooltip will appear for detailed quest information when you hover over the current step. You can right click on the current step to view the current guide or select a guide for a different zone and level. The guide will automatically detect the quest that you have already done, so you can easily begin using the guide with any level character. With other leveling guides, you would have to begin at level 1 or waste hours of time trying to zinc in your character with their guide. It also features a waypoint arrow to tell you exactly where to go for each step, and it will automatically detect and update itself for each step that you complete. The guide works by using a simple step-by-step format. First, it will instruct you to accept a quest, second to complete the quest, and third to turn it in. All with a directional waypoint arrow telling you where to go for each step, so you always know the fastest questing route for your level. Dugi Guides are also the first guide to introduce multiple guide support for leveling guide, dungeon guide, dailies guide, events guide, achievements, and also an in-game profession guide. You can find more information about all our guides by clicking the link at the top of our page. The leveling guide is designed to take you from level 1 to 85 solo in less than 7 days playtime. This is achieved by providing you the fastest questing route possible to level 85 by using a fast, streamlined in-game guide so you never have to think about what to do next. Let's test the guide and accept a quest as instructed and watch what happens. The guide automatically moves on to the next step. It is now telling me to complete a quest, and the add-on is designed to work perfectly with Blizzard Quest Tracker. It will automatically display the right quests on your screen, so you're able to click on the objective tracker to see it on your map. As I complete this quest, the guide detects my progress and moves on to the next step. Now let's turn in the quest, and that's it. It's that simple. We also take it a step further and make the guide as detailed as possible so that you will always know where to go, who to talk to, which quest to pick up, when to complete it, when to turn it in, what creatures to kill, what items to use, where to find the flight points and when to use it, and when to set and use your Hearthstone. As an experienced player, you may be worried that if you use a leveling guide, you won't be able to break away from the guide to go to a different path. But we have added new features so that you will never be out of sync with Dugi's guide, even if you use heirloom item, recruit a friend, gain experience from PvP, or gain experience from dungeon. With Dugi Guides, you can still do all these things and still easily sync your character with our guide by using our guide selection system and these unique features. Dugi Guides files have a brand new feature called the Guide Suggest mode, which will automatically set the correct guide for your character at any level. The leveling guide selection window have a handy suggest button which will select a guide for you, and if you are leveling too fast, the guide will automatically suggest that you skip ahead to the next guide. We also have a leveling mode feature which will dynamically adjust the difficulty setting of our leveling guide to cater to your personal preference. For example, if you consider yourself a beginner at WoW, then the easy setting is probably the most suitable for you, and the guide will deliberately keep you behind in the lower level areas to make it much easier. And the hard mode is ideal if you're a veteran player that have a lot of gear advantage with heirlooms, and the normal mode is somewhere in between. Quests are often linked with each other, so you won't be able to accept some new quests without completing the prerequisite. With our chain quest linking feature, you will be able to instantly skip the entire quest chain so you can move on with the quests that your character can pick up. We have also added another new feature that will automatically show the quest level and color coding for each quest, so you will know whether this quest is suitable for your character's level, and you will be able to instantly know which part of the guide that you should be at your current level. The grey exclamation mark will show you the quest that you won't be able to pick up yet, so you don't skip too far ahead of the guide.